This is Kaisho's kitchen. We're gonna make chocolate milk in this one. So, I don't know what else to say. We're making super healthy chocolate milk at this one. So, milk. Okay. Open this cap. And how do I? My bad. Whoops. Now, not this. Not to the 8. Nope. Yet. Not quite, but almost. Oopsie. I think I got it a little past the 8. Okay, sorry. I had to stop and clean up the mess. So now I'm gonna set this on the ground and get a scoop of collagen. That close. That was that close. Is that closing it? That's closing. Okay, now you see I've got some. I put one in. And now I pick this up. And I got this in there. Wait. Oh yeah, I remember. It's this way to spin it. Right. That. Come on. Come on, spin. Okay. Now what done? Now what do we? Now which one done? Okay, now we're gonna do collagen. Wait. Whoops. My bad. I said collagen. Got it. Oh. Put this on the ground. Is this the right amount, Dad? And so that I'm gonna take this back up. Right. Drop this back in too. Hey, drop. Can you close this for me, Dad? Next is honey. That's yummy. Yum. Now, my dad will close this for me instead. Now, I am done. I'm done for that part. So now, it's the shaking part. It's probably... Let's see. That looks good. Now I pour it into here. Okay. Yummy. And that's how you make super healthy chocolate milk. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I think I said that a kind of funky.